We're stuck in another big, thick rhododendron patch. I'm not sure, but I think the decision has been made to make our way out if we can.
So difficult to eat your friends.
Looks like Jim's finding a way out. And Bob's making it. And Kim and Carl are still back in there.
Find trail yet?
Not the trail. There's more ribbons though. Always more ribbons. Oh, here we go. It is not easy walking through these rhododendrons.
Walking?
Or crawling, or sliding on your butt. Doing whatever it takes to get down by them. We don't even know how close we are to the actual AT at this point. We kind of been thinking we've been getting close, but
Not
we don't
close
know.
enough.
No, we don't know yet. There's another group that's working further south of us.
We were supposed to meet them 20 minutes ago.
Oh, well, I don't think we're going to make it because we also have a long walk out of here if and when we ever do find the actual AT again.
I lost the ribbon. Oh, there's one.
Yeah, there's one. I guess Carl or Bob and Jim are way over there somewhere. I don't even see them. I can just see them right through there.
Dang.
They took the high route.
Yeah.
I don't see them. Wait, right there. I saw a tree or a limb bumping around in there, so they're in there somewhere. And there's Carl. So I take it we're just
It's every man for himself.
trying to find whoever can make it to the trail first, right?
Whoever can get out.
Yep. All right, well then it's time for me to stop recording and get out of here. Hi everybody, let's go.